Hi host, and welcome back to another episode of Oh my god, it's raining. Yes, welcome back to the episode of how to make things on your rooftop, where I teach you how to make things on your rooftop. So because summer is coming, oh my god. So because summer is coming and I feel like we need to have a kite. So today we need to have a kite. So that's why today we're making some kites. The ingredients you will need is some wooden sticks, Anyway, I had to pause the video because hi host, I'm finally back. And as I said, we'll need 2 sticks. You can get it from any trees. And after cutting these into the shape of the kite, we're gonna secure it using these strings. Basically, you just do this. I'm sick and tired. And next, tie the points to each other like this. And if you finish this step, congratulate yourself because you're a bad bitch now. And to make an actual kite, you're gonna need some paper. And this time we're using supermarket advertisement paper because we're cheap as fuck. There are actually many shades you can choose from, like Mediterranean blue, Mystic ash. Actually, this one kind of gives like an electric vibe with this air fryer patterns. And if you're like more of a natural person, you can choose this Peter Pan green shade with a picture of a grass cutter and more floral patterns. As for me, I'm going for this one because it has a picture of a hot guy in it. I'm sad that the hot guy is actually not going to be in the frame, but what we're going to do is cutting these shapes. After cutting, fold all the corner and tape it like this. Lastly, tie a string in the middle and you're good to go. Period. Oh my god. You guys see it? Oh my god, this is so magical. Maybe it's the way she walk. Say I had a dirty mouth. You got a dirty mouth. This is my first ever tutorial that worked. And we dance all night to the best song ever. Do it every Oh my god, it's ice rain. Oh my god. Oh.